cracks between two planks of wood, apply a thin layer of glue, pour wood shavings over the glue, smooth it out, and let it dry. To repair damaged wood, place a hot iron directly on the surface, then iron through a wet towel. Then wipe the grime off with your hand and reveal the spotless surface. If you can't get a screw out, place a rubber band between the drill bit and the screw. The added friction will easily remove the screw. Save time while finishing nails on a woodworking project by cutting a small piece of wooden dowel and pressing it into the nail hole. Easily remove a screw by inserting a metal disc into a drill, fitting it into the screw head, and turning it counterclockwise. If you need to remove a segment of broken pipe but don't have a wire saw, just connect a bike cable to two handles and cut through the pipe in seconds. To remove a dowel, just grip it with pliers and gently hit the pliers from below with a hammer. Fill a hole in broken cinder block with this fast-drying cement. Just apply the cement, hold it in place, and it will stop water from flowing through.